Yo, what's up everybody? Chad Bennett here at nonstopmoneytv.com. Welcome back to another online money making video. And right here in this video today, you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different ways to start earning free Bitcoin. I hope you've been paying close attention to all the videos that I've been putting out because I've been trying to tell you Bitcoin is poised to absolutely explode, and it's happening, you guys. It's happening right now before our very eyes. I hope you're paying attention. Real quickly here, I want to drop you over on Coinbase right here so that you can check out the price action for yourself. So much movement today, absolutely insane. Even within the past week, you guys, we are rallying, and I only believe it's going to grow and get stronger, and it's going to continue down this path, this bull run. It's going to be a tsunami full of money. That's my personal belief. Make sure that you're doing your education, you guys, but I'm going to show you how to earn free Bitcoin anyway so that you don't have to put in any of your own money. Now check this out right here on Coinbase.com, you guys. You can see the price action today. Starting off this morning, we were at $13,000, bumped up to $13,400. Then we hit $13,600. And we topped out here right now. Actually, while we're filming this video, this is a all-time new high, $13,779. And if you've been paying attention, what's going on to Bitcoin? As soon as we hit this $14,000 mark, everything above that becomes a sort of a price discovery, you guys. So literally, we can go straight to the moon. This rally is just beginning. You want to be investing in Bitcoin. You want to be earning as much free Bitcoin as you possibly can. Want to fill you in on some very specific news that I want to make sure that you're paying attention to because this was huge, you guys. This was called the shot heard around the world. Now, right now I'm on Bitcoin.com, but you can Google this. There is tons of news sources talking about this. I'm sure most of you have already heard about this, but PayPal, you guys, is going to start letting you buy Bitcoin on their platform and start spending that on their platform, you guys. So all of the places that you can spend your money using PayPal, you can now start using Bitcoin, Ethereum, I believe Litecoin, and there's one other cryptocurrency, but Bitcoin is the big one, you guys. That is ginormous. PayPal has a user base of around 340 million people that have active accounts. So what is going to happen here, you guys, is this is going to bring Bitcoin into the mainstream. The problem before is that a lot of folks didn't know how to get into Bitcoin. Having an actual crypto wallet right on your PayPal account where you can spend that money at merchants is huge, you guys. Institutional investors are going to start pouring in. Again, you guys, this is my own personal opinion with my own research. Start doing this. But again, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different ways right here in this video, legitimate ways to start earning free Bitcoin. Huge. I also want to take you over real quickly here, you guys, and just thank you for everybody that has been supporting this channel. As you can see right here, I'm up to 3,400 subscribers. So a big shout out. Thank you to everyone that supports this channel. I am extremely grateful. Make sure that you crush that thumbs up until it turns blue. If you find any valuable content at all right here in this video, make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you hit that bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. Because as you can see right here, I am coming out with new videos every single week teaching you the best money making strategies online, you guys. And last but not least, make sure that you drop me a comment. Let me know that you're here. Check in, even if you just type free Bitcoin, and share these videos with your friends, your family, so we can get as many people as we possibly can to start earning free Bitcoin, to start making money online. I want you to understand one thing here real quickly, you guys. When I got started on this journey years ago, and I got serious a couple years ago, I understand what the struggle is, how hard it is to start making money online. That's why you also need to check out the first link in the top of the description of this video, you guys. That's my #1 way to make money online, to start leveraging your time, you guys. Time is the best possible thing that you can have. That's the most valuable asset that you can possibly own. The time to call your own shots, to go do what's important to you in life, whether it's hanging out with your friends, your family, your kids, taking them to and from school, their sports, whatever, you guys, to not have to hit that time clock, to build your dreams and to start earning passive income. If that's for you, if you're serious about making money online, make sure that you check out that link. Now, let's get straight into this video. I want to show you these 5 brand new ways that I learned that are legit to start earning free Bitcoin. And by the way, you can do this on all of your smart devices, you guys, Android and iOS. As long as you have an internet connection, you can start earning free Bitcoin using this method and spend it on PayPal's platform now, you guys. This is going to be awesome. Let's get straight into this. you Bitcoin lovers, let's get straight into this. I want to get straight to the point. Don't want to waste 1 second of your time. So make sure that you're paying close attention because we're going to get through this really quickly here. Now, this first application you've probably heard of, you guys. It's very popular, but there's something that a lot of folks don't know. And we're talking about Feature Points, by the way. I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. It'll take you directly over to Feature Points, you guys. Make sure that you check that out down in the description. Now, what's cool about Feature Points, you guys, is it's actually a great way to earn Bitcoin. I want to take you over here to their main website right here. And as you can see, they have a ton of ways to start making money online. You guys, they have paid surveys. They have all kinds of really cool free offers if you want to try new different services, such as like live sports TV, handy.com. These are like tasks, paid to do tasks, where you go do this. You're going to earn points that you can cash out in the form of Bitcoin, by the way, you guys. As you can see right here, a lot of folks don't know about this. You can earn $10 of the United States Bitcoin for every 6,000 points that you have, you guys. It's absolutely a no-brainer. You can earn free cash back. They have all kinds of different lottery type things where you can cash in and try to win prizes on here without doing absolutely nothing at all. If you're somebody that likes to play games, try out different types of applications. I know I'm guilty of that, you guys. I love to download new apps and try out different features. For some reason, it makes me feel like I have some new type of functionality for my phone. If you're like that at all, you can actually get paid to do this, you guys, especially if you're a gamer. It's a no-brainer. You can also share this with your friends, your family, get your own affiliate link right here and start leveraging their time, their efforts as well. You can earn up to 50 points, 50% of their points for everything that they're doing right here on Feature Points as well. So you can also do PayPal, you guys. PayPal, you can earn free PayPal cash, free Visa gift cards, you guys, and all kinds of other really cool gift cards right here on Feature Points. But the big one right here is Bitcoin, you guys. So make sure that you come check out Feature Points. If you haven't given it a chance, it's a great way to start making money online, start earning free Bitcoin right now. By the way, that you can send straight over to your Coinbase account. If you do not have a Coinbase account, get signed up, you guys. I'll leave a link for that down in the description as well. What Coinbase is, if you're not familiar with what this is, you guys, it's a crypto wallet. It's a place to buy, sell, trade, hold all of your cryptocurrency, convert it back into fiat money, whatever you want to do. Coinbase is one of the largest, most respected, trusted sources to hold your cryptocurrency. It's very easy if you're a beginner. I highly recommend that this is the place that you start. So let's keep this moving, you guys. I want to take you over to this application right here. And by the way, all of these applications that we're talking about work on iOS as well as Android devices. I'm just going to be showing you on one of the platforms right now just to save time and stay straight to the point here. But this one is called literally Free Bitcoin, you guys. 6,181 stars. I want to jump back over to Feature Points too, by the way. This was liked by 116,690 people. 4-star rating. People love Feature Points. Jumping back over to Free Bitcoin, 6,181 likes. Breaking into that 5th star. This one's similar to Feature Points, you guys, in the sense that you could be doing easy tasks, taking surveys, sending your opinions, literally just sending your opinions, watching videos, taking tests, and giving your endorsements, aka sharing it with your friends, your family, and earning literally free Bitcoin right here on the #1 Bitcoin rewards app, you guys. Free Bitcoin. Check it out on iOS as well. Now we're going to move on to my #3 spot right here. We have StormX. This is one of the most highly respected gaming app platforms that pay you in cryptocurrency, you guys. If you like to play games on your devices, you might as well start getting paid in free cryptocurrency, free Bitcoin, free Ethereum, free Litecoin. It talks about it all down here. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, StormX coin, Litecoin, and DAI, you guys, DAI coin. And literally all you're going to be doing is downloading popular games that you're going to play anyways on your smart devices and literally start earning points that you can cash out in whatever cryptocurrency that you choose, you guys. I'm also going to move on here if you're a gamer as well. Again, here's another one that pays out in Bitcoin. It's called Alien Run, you guys. 7,700 likes, 4-star rating right here. You can read through this if you like, but as you can see, you earn free Bitcoin literally by breaking through these levels and playing Alien Run. And last but not least, you guys, this is one of my favorite ways to earn free Bitcoin because it's absolutely a no-brainer. This is called CryptoTab Browser, and you can't tell right now, but I'm actually using CryptoTab Browser myself. It's literally a browser just like Google Chrome, just like Internet Explorer, Edge, Firefox, you guys. Looks, feels, functions. It's fast, it's lightweight, just like that. You have your bookmarks, your favorites. You can very easily transfer all of your stuff into this. The only difference here is when you're using Crypto Tab Browser, small tip here, by the way, set Crypto Tab Browser as your default browser. The reason this is important is because the more that you use this, the more that this window is open, it's using a small percentage of your computer's resources to actually go out there and mine Bitcoin for you in the background. And I know it might not seem like a lot at first, you guys. I've had people in the comments tell me, oh, I'm only earning a few cents. That few cents right now could literally be $10, $20, $30, you guys, within the next year. Bitcoin is absolutely exploding. Make sure that you are paying attention. This is free. It happens automatically in the background. You're going to be browsing the internet anyways. It doesn't matter what you're searching for. It looks, feels, functions just like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. You guys give this a chance. I'll leave a link for this down in the description as well. I want to wrap this up, you guys, because I want to keep this straight to the point. I want to give you as much value as I possibly can right here at nonstopmoneytv.com. You guys, if you found any valuable content at all in this video, make sure that you crush that thumbs up till it turns blue. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you hit that bell notification. Make sure that you've dropped me a comment, you guys. Make sure that you've checked out that #1 recommendation down in the top of the description, you guys. My #1 recommendation. This is where I got started about a year ago, or about 2 years now, you guys, and it's literally changed my life. I wanted to be able to quit my job. I wanted to be able to work from anywhere in the world, whether it was on a beach, anywhere, you guys, as long as I had an internet connection. A lot of my work I literally do right from my very own cell phone, you guys. I can be anywhere as long as I have an internet connection, earning passive income, you guys. Being able to grow my own business was everything to me. And this showed me step by step exactly what you need to do to grow a successful online business. This is where it's at, you guys. Everybody I've been asking, and everyone just says, I don't know where to get started. I don't know who to trust. I don't know what's legit. This is legit. Check it out, you guys. That's all I have for you today. I will see you on the next video. Peace.